Big Jim here. How's everybody doing? Well, I finally ordered me tires for my skid steer. I don't know if you can tell it, but these things are like, there is no tread on them, hardly at all. And I got my good friend and buddy, Cowboy Dave, to give me a hand. He's the one who helped me pull it out when it was stuck. That's him right there. And what we're gonna do is jack this thing up, take them wheels and tires off so I can get them to the repair shop, get them changed out. And I'm really surprised at the price. I'm getting 10 ply tires and it's a way under 1,000, so I'm good. I'm good with that. So anyway, we're going to get started here and let you guys see how this gets done.
If you guys don't have bottle jacks to lift up the corners of this machine, you can use 4x4 blocks and your hydraulics to get it up off the ground. You stack up a couple 4x4s in your corners back here and use your bucket, push it down. It'll touch the 4x4s and then eventually raise up the whole damn machine. Then you get your tires off the ground.
All right.
So here we go.
Yeah, I've never done this before, so.
I got some time in a tire shop. I've done this kind of thing. Okay.
Let me position my camera where we can all see. See this thing raise up. All right.
Do one more double check.
All right. Oh, grab me the key off of the back wall there. Straight back behind me. I forgot all about that.
Might need that.
Yes.
Leave it all the way down and just throw your bucket down. Yep. Go ahead. Some more. Yep. Shut her down. Perfect.
All right.
No, don't get you any expendages in the way.
Oh no.
Grab a coffee can.
I don't know if I got one. I'll find something to put in. There's gonna be a bunch of them.
Yes, there is. You think he's still up there? Might take a hammer home. Why need a
pop off.
sledgehammer to pop them off?
Man, I don't think I have a big enough hammer.
Damn lug nuts.
Yes, a lot of lug nuts.
So
I used to have a mallet, or a,
and of course I took mine out of my truck.
I don't know what I did with it. All I got was small. And I don't even know.
That ain't big enough. There we go. I don't know if I got enough swinging room over here. Crash into the cabinets.
Well, be careful.
Got it. We're 4 for 4. Watch your fingers.
They're just a little bit heavy. I don't know if anybody realizes that.
Do you say anything about trading?
Nothing.
Really?
I don't know if he does that. What would they do? They just cut the old tread off?
No, I meant as in trade in for somebody that needs them for turf tires. Well, that wraps that up.
Well, that's all. Didn't take long, maybe 10 minutes. That's crazy. But that's what it looks like without tires on it. Or wheels. Whew. Man. Yep. All right, the next thing to do is take them to the dang repair shop, get new ones. Well, that's about the end of this. So, like I always say, outdoors is where the fun begins. Get out when you can. It was a little bit short-lived tonight, but we still had fun. Thanks to Cowboy Dave, and we'll see you on the next one.